Hi everyone, this is Venus from Easter. Welcome to Zhangjiagang Saibo Science and Technology Company. It is a professional manufacturer of the roll forming machine with more than 20 years production experience. Okay, let's go to see the factory. Today we are loading the container. This container will be shipped to the Saudi Arabia. Okay, let's go to see which kind of machine they are loading now. Hi sir, may I know which kind of machine they are loading now?
This is our track roller forming machine.
Here is our assemble and adjust area. The machine will be assembled strictly according to technical design and international standards. All the machines will pass the test with product samples from customer before delivery. This is our assembly area. In material process area, through CNC machining into the required shape, chrome plating, blackening, quenching, tempering, and other processing technology, the materials will be processed into qualified parts. In frame welding and mining machine area, welding the machine frame according to the drawings. This is our roofing sheet forming machine. Now our engineer is testing the federal roll forming machine is doing the trial production.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.